It's been a suboptimal day for one reason. I actually got a comment today that I didn't like. Oh, surprise, surprise. You post stuff online. You should expect that. That's fair enough. The thing that made this one different, I didn't get it in the comment section of one of my videos. I got it in real life. The thing that made his comment so hard to take is this man is someone that I've known for 20 years. I respect him. I have a lot of time for him. And he's always, up until now, been very, very supportive to what I've been doing with my content. To explain to you the way the conversation went, I'm going to have to do a bit of role play. I will be playing both people in the conversation. Hey, you, Dr. Left Hand Thread. I stopped watching your videos. Sorry to hear that, but why'd you stop watching my videos? Because you're an asshole. You want everybody to pay for them now. You don't allow us to watch them free anymore. Where did you get that idea? I put on YouTube last night and one of your videos come up and it said members only. That means I have to probably pay a tenner to watch it or something. Listen, sir, you've got the wrong end of the stick. That couldn't be further from the truth. So that episode of Bad Acting Theatre was brought to you by your favourite fake internet doctor. However, turns out he's seen one video marked members only, and he thought the whole channel was now members only, that everybody was going to have to pay for all my videos, which couldn't be further from the truth. The true fact of the matter is, my YouTube channel has 2,500 videos, including long form tutorials, shorts, live streams, and free repair courses. I don't even make them members only. So this is all not members only. That equates to thousands of hours of free viewing. And from my point of view, that's how it should be. Quite some time ago, I did activate memberships on my channel. But for the most part, the only thing that the membership would have gained somebody who had paid into it was they had the knowledge that they were supporting a creator that they enjoyed and liked and wanted to see succeed. The other thing was they did get to see some of the longer repair videos just a little bit sooner. But recently I have felt bad for the members because that's all they've been getting, and I have been creating little shorts, little vlogs, just to give them something, to show them that I was appreciative of that extra little bit of support that they had given the channel. Now this is completely optional, and all the rest of my content will be absolutely free to everyone. I only did this video to try and reassure you guys that you're all appreciated. The members are appreciated for the extra special support they give this channel. The subscribers are appreciated for subscribing to this channel. The guys that come and join the live chat every week and contribute in that way are appreciated as well. Also, the silent majority who don't even comment on my videos or the live chat but view. Even if you view and don't comment and aren't subscribed and aren't a member, you're still appreciated. They all count, everyone counts, and I will answer comments from people who aren't members, who aren't subscribed, and it just might be the only video of mine they'll ever watch. So with all the rant over, I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone who's ever interacted in any way, big or small, with any of my videos. The fact that you have given this dusty little corner of the internet any of your time is appreciated. So thank you very much and take care. I'm not going to ask you to subscribe. I'm not going to ask you to like this video. I'm not going to ask you to be a member. I'm just going to ask you to have a great day.